Is it because you've been spending so much time on this website?
Hey sis, I'm great, thank you. I've just been reading some articles on this app called Finland.
Articles? What kind of articles?
Well, the app periodically uploads new articles to help their customers save money, such as this recent one about doubling your money by putting £1 away a day for a year. You basically get £365, and it's only £1 a day.
I see. So what's this app called? I see it's like Finland?
Yes, Finland. It's a really cool financial management app that helps you organise all your accounts in one place. Here, let me show you. Well, as you know, I've got accounts with Barclays, Santander, a few others, plus I have an account in the US. I'm also managing my kids' saving account with HSBC. So having them all in one place is just so much easier to manage.
Well, you know, I do the same thing, but with an Excel sheet. You've seen it before, haven't you?
Yes, you have sent it me, and I've looked over it many a times. I can see you've been obviously put your direct debits in there, your income to spending, how much is free. I've also been looking at the transactions, and to be honest, it makes my eyes bleed. This stuff is so messy, I don't know how you even save at all, really. But with Finland, it's so much easier than an Excel sheet. You know, you can just upload your transactions from a click of a button. They do live link on your bank account, but that's kind of a premium cost. So rather than manually updating your Excel each time, you can kind of upload your transaction history. In fact, I do need to update my last month's transaction into my Barclays account, so I'll do that very quickly. I'm just going to upload my CSV that I got from Barclays and upload that in there. Look at that in a few seconds. Nice and quick.
Well, that's really cool and quick for you because you have so many bank accounts, but I only have like one, so there's no point in me using something like this, is there?
I don't know. It could be useful for you. Aren't you saving up for a yacht or canoe or something like that?
Yes, a boat. I'm putting aside money each month and getting there slowly. How would this help, though?
Well, you can create a new goal or a goal for your boat. And well, as you can see, this is where I created a goal for my car. So if you go into that, you can see kind of all the transactions from a Barclays account. So it gives you that kind of live information.
So if I had a goal and if I had an account here, how would I update it then?
Simple. I can show you that if you like. You can go into this deposit one. Because I got some money from Mum and Dad from my house deposit.
What? Mom and Dad gave you money?
You probably spent it all without a spreadsheet. I'm not sure we'll have to ask them. So I'm going to add, I don't know, £8,000 to my new home deposit from my Barclays account. And as you can see, it's nice and live update.
It really does seem easy to use. No wonder you managed to get that M3.
Oh, you've seen it on the driveway, did you?
Mm-hmm.
It's a lovely car, isn't it? It's not as good as, obviously, the dream car that I'd like. So I can use FinMan to add that as a goal at a later date.
Well, you gotta give me the link to this site. I'm definitely gonna use it.
Of course, sure. Well, I used to track my spending on spreadsheets, but never really stuck to them. This app's helped me save so much money already, and it's all thanks to the makers of FinMan, Irina, Chris, Jake, and Anne.